Hey, Will Snipeselli here. It is Sunday, October 2nd, and this is Asia range. So we had a move lower, then a move higher, up into a fair value gap. So I'm seeing that this is rejection higher. So I'm looking for this to go lower, down near the fair value gaps that I have marked down here. So we're tagged in. Right off the bat, I think this is I'm extending out my profit on this one because I feel like I'm very high up in this long range and feel like it can go at least down near the 50% area or the bottom of that fair value gap around 35.86. So we're tagged in. We'll kind of keep an eye on the profit here, but I think I got a little greedy on this one and use this as a learning scenario. So just kind of keep an eye on so around 300. So this would have been an easy closeout and could have changed how the rest of the night went. So you see I've moved my buy stop down so that we are guaranteed profit, and we're starting to get a little bit of retracement, and it's trading down into fair value gaps, which to me is starting to signal that it has a chance to reverse back up and take out the old highs, which would take me out. I'm hoping that it just goes up into those fair value gaps and sells off again. But you can see I just got stopped out on that. Still was stopped out with profit, so we're at okay, so we just got tagged in and we're still planning for this to go lower, and so we got tagged back in right at that fair value gap. Taking a little bit of heat right now, but we're expecting this to go lower down into a lower fair value gap, and I'm viewing this, and we just got tagged out. So that just took out the highs right there. So, that's why we have stops. So I still want this to go lower, even though, so it just ran some stops. So, this could have been that my first entry if I would have just waited a little bit longer. I think I need to be a little bit more patient on the entries, especially when it can go up and take out that buy side liquidity. So we'll keep an eye on this and see what ends up doing. And again, I think this is going to go all the way down and tag this down here. Because why wouldn't it? We just took, we took out the highs, so now I'm thinking that this is going to go down and test the lows. And it traded up into that fair value gap. So it's reversed up on us. We're taking a little bit of heat, but it's trading down into another fair value gap. And we just made a higher high, and then it took out a buy stop. Anyways, thanks for watching.